Ouch. He made it. He doesn't want you to take a picture of him. That's my job.
It's your job to take pictures of him?
Yeah, can I help you? Aww. He still got food left.
Well, maybe he's not hungry.
He says all of the words twice. Or maybe
Here,
3
let's
times.
bring him back this way.
So he could eat.
Nope, he wants to go down there.
Yeah, but
Be careful.
I am.
He likes to peck your shirt.
Yeah, but now he can eat.
Oh, good job, honey.
Yum, yum.